Make a great choice today with 2012 Juke. The Juke is an adaptable and intelligent ride where handling meets turbocharged performance. This unique, sporty compact crossover fits your personal style perfectly and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.